Welcome everybody to this Discord tutorial that I'm going to show you guys exactly what Discord is, how it works, and how to navigate our server. Okay, so Discord is a place where you can have like a central hub, a community. Doesn't matter what you're doing. I use it for my crypto projects, Forex projects, gold and silver, Amazon automation, stocks. Anything to make money online, guys. I'm trying to do it, have a well-diversified portfolio, and have a central hub where everyone can have information, chat about the specific project, and where we can all come together and actually do some giveaways, contests, and just having a positive community where we can all get together and chat and collaborate if you guys have any questions. So moving forward into the tutorial on how Discord works. Whether you're part of a school, club, gaming group, worldwide art community, or just a handful of friends that want to spend time together, Discord makes it easy to talk every day and hang out more often. So what you guys want to do is download it. If you have a Mac, if you have a Windows, you'll be able to actually download the app onto your computer and also onto your phone. Log into the same account. You might have to register, obviously, if you guys do not have an account. But once I give you guys a link to my server, you'll have a page that looks like this. All you have to do is accept the invite. You'll see how many people are online, how many members there are, and the name of the Discord server. All right, have the name of my username who invited you to join. All you do is accept invite. If you don't have an account, you will actually have to create an account. I'll help you guys out with the uploading your profile pictures, how to change your username, your settings in your back office, etc. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, guys, is once you get access to this link and you're a part of it, you should land right here on the Welcome Legends page. And right when you get in here, you're gonna be an unverified legend. All right, so that means I don't know who you are. Some people, as you can tell, have different usernames. I don't know who they are. They don't have a profile picture. And so I want the people that I've been talking to, connecting with, people that I know, into this server, so we're all on the same page. I don't want anyone spamming anything, cross-recruiting, etc. So I want to make sure that we're all protected, and that's why I love Discord as well. It protects you. It's very safe, easy to use. It helps your security as well as being an investor into these projects. Okay, so moving forward, guys, once you get into the server, you should come to this Welcome Legends, and what I can do is actually do exactly. So when you come here, this is exactly what you'll see. As you can tell, the channels are gone because when you come into the server, you're going to be an unverified legend. All right, so that means that you're going to come in as yellow. All right, so you see your profile picture, your username, and the colors. See these different colors? Different colors means different roles in the actual server. So me as an admin role, key admin, I'm going to be red. You'll see the bot as in, I'll teach you more about the bot, what that does. It makes more automated messages like this, embedded messages. We'll do it for giveaways and for information on each project. And so when you're an unverified legend, so these people still need to verify their accounts when coming in here. What you need to do is private message me. All you can do is click on my name, and you can actually message me. Just act like that's me, because that's me right here. Act like this is me and you're messaging me. All you have to do is click on my name and message me. And just say, my name's Peter Parker. I'm from Australia, and I'm interested in Forex and crypto, or whatever the projects that you guys are coming in here. And then once you guys have that, who invited you to the server? It was me. You just say Crypto Bren or Brendan Parker, and you just go ahead and enter it, and you will give me a private message. All right, your private messages are going to be here. You click on your home, and you have all the people that you've been texting and talking to right here. Okay, so if you click on their name or whatever, you could be able to private message them here. Okay, so if you want to private message somebody, you just click on home. You can go to your friends. You can see who's online. If you want to add them as a friend, you can do that as well. But in the actual server, I wanted to go over like how to navigate the server and how things work here. So you're going to get a welcome message from the legend bot. So I've created this message. I'm just going to say, welcome to the server. Hey, user, welcome to Passive Legends. To be able to join Passive Legends, you need to send a private message to Bren and Parker with the following details: first and last name, country you live in, what project you're interested in, who brought you into Passive Legend. Once this is complete, please allow 24 hours to be verified. Thank you for your patience. Passive Legends admin. Be bold, be brave, be legendary. All right, so once you get that message, guys, what you can do is just click on my name and then private message me, just like I showed you here, okay, with that information. Once you send me that information, allow me 24 hours. Once I do that, I'll be able to come in here and change your role. All right, so we're in an unverified legend. This person just messaged me. I get to change your role to verified legend, and then you're going to be able to see all these channels. All right, once you're verified, you'll be able to see everything, and then I'll go over the channels here shortly. Okay, then I'll get you off Unverified Legend. So once you read the welcome legends, go ahead and read this, guys. If you want to react, I do give, you get points as you interact into Discord. If you do emojis, if you comment, if you help people. If I see that you're very active on Discord, I do giveaways. And right here on Discord Level Up, I just did a $100 Bitcoin giveaway to Crypto McKinnon. He was very engaging, he was very helpful, showed some leadership, very positive, and so I love that, actions of a true legend. So I want to compensate the people that interact into my server. Okay, and so this bot is actually going to know if you interact, if you comment on these chats here, and you're staying interactive, you're doing emojis like this. And you can just click on this as well, and you can add another number onto that emoji. If you want to pick one, just scroll your cursor right here in the plus, and you can pick any of these emojis. You could do as many as you want. But other than that, yeah, just every time you go into a new channel, so these are servers, obviously, right? And these are channels. All right, each channel has a category. This is welcome category. Moderators, you guys won't see any of this because it's all locked. That's only for me and the admins. YouTube education, so I'm going to do live streams on YouTube here at this channel. I'm still customizing that, still locked, still not ready yet. But cryptocurrency education, I'm going to post up some videos that I'm going to do, tutorials like this video will be in this section for cryptocurrency education. I might change the name too. Yeah, once you come into this channel, guys, just go ahead and watch the videos, read the content that I have here. But starting from the top, you're going to come in here in the welcome. You're going to go to react to it if you want. Legends code is just the rules, so go ahead and always scroll up, as it doesn't do that for you, and just go ahead and read the Passive Legends server rules. These are very important, guys. If you guys don't follow the rules, I will have to give you a warning. I do give 3 warnings, 3 strikes you're out kind of deal. I'm very lenient, I'm very easygoing, guys. I'm easy to get along with, but I hate negative people. I hate negative comments. Any kind of abuse or FUD, anything that people don't understand. Beginners in the industry, in the investing industry, don't know too much, and I kind of just let them know, and they educate throughout their own mistakes. And we're all there, guys, so it's, no one's perfect. I get it, but just make sure that you guys are following the rules. And if you have any questions, just private message me, guys. Hey, Bren, I don't understand something, blah blah blah. I'll help you guys out. Okay. Discord Level Up, obviously going from top to bottom here, guys. Go ahead and scroll up again and read what this is about. All right, so we just reached our 400th legend in our Passive Legends server. We have a bunch of people here in the server, guys. A lot of good value that they give as well, like staying connected, helping one another, making sure we're all on the same page. We're going to be doing Zoom calls, giveaways, you name it, guys. Have some fun here. This is what it's for. It's an intentional community. We should all get along. And if you don't get along with somebody, you don't click with anyone, just don't talk to them. Just ignore them. Don't fuel the situation. But we haven't had many problems like that. I'm just letting you guys know. And so, yeah, just read everything here, guys. Just scroll down. You'll see exactly what's going up from top to bottom. All right. And then the live stream, I'll have my YouTube videos there. Cryptocurrency education. All right, now these are the projects. You're going to see the categories of the name and the project. All right, name, project, name, project, name, project, name, project. I'm going to have a wide variety of projects, guys. So from top to bottom is what I recommend. So from this project here, Daisy Info. All right, so this is one of the projects. Obviously, there's a lot of information here that you guys have to read if you want to stay in the loop here in this project. All right, so read everything about the project, what it details. Yes, there is referral programs in every opportunity that we do. That's what I do. That's how I make a full-time income. If you guys want to learn on how that works, let me know. But there's an investing side where you can earn. You don't have to do it. Okay, it is only optional. So I have the links here as well. Make sure that you guys click each link. Read all the information. Watch the information. A lot of people come to me, hey, Brendan, I don't know this. I'm like, did you watch the video? Did you look at the PDF? There's a lot of people, obviously hundreds of people, guys, that come to me that ask questions and they don't read the information. They're lazy. Don't be lazy, guys. Come on, be motivated. Have some drive in your life and just get the information. It's all there for you. But yes, if you have the information and you're still questionable about something, don't be scared to ask me, okay? I'll still answer the question. Just read through the information, guys. Just scroll to the top, to the very bottom, and this just tells you a little bit about the updates. So when I get updates from the actual channel, I'll put it into the server, into this Daisy Info. All right, and then the Daisy chat. All right, so I'll also post it here in the chat. If you guys don't look at the information, I'll post it twice so you guys know that we're getting the information. All right, Legends questions. If you have any questions where we're doing a Zoom call and you can't make the Zoom call for that particular project, I'll have legend questions here below these projects. I'm still working on it, guys. It's still evolving. All right, and just ask those questions specifically for that project. Okay, so Nimbus project, same thing. Scroll all the way up, read the information, check out the website. Here's some links for you. If you want to add yourself to WhatsApp, you like WhatsApp, I have a group there as well. Okay, 7K medals, gold and silver, information, scroll all the way up, read the information. Obviously, you don't have to do every single project. These are just my recommendations. This is not financial advice. It's just what's working for me. And if you guys want to get involved with it, let me know. This is the information on the info, and then I'll have a chat below it, and then we'll start talking about that opportunity. If you have any questions, if you are confused about anything, if you want to celebrate, if you want to send pictures, whatever, just have some fun. All right, so it's FX info in the Forex industry. We're trading. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. You'll see here in green all the people that are verified, all right, and online. You'll see who's offline. 369 people are offline. Other than that, guys, if you see a notification in red and a number by that notification, means you've been tagged into that chat. If it's white, like this, if it's white, that means there's a message that someone wrote. Other than that, guys, on the very bottom left corner here is your username and your number by it and my profile picture. What I want to do is go to my user settings, my account, and then you can literally mess with this. Go to each tab and customize it the way you want. Okay, so if you want to change your avatar, you can click here and upload a picture on your computer or phone. If you want to change your username, you can also do that. Just click on edit, your email, edit, phone number, you can edit it. I like to have authentication here. You can change your password, view backup codes. You can do your two-factor authentication so no one can come into your account, change your information. That's why I like this server, guys, and Discord, because it's very good. It's very secure. It's safe. You know what I mean? Like, you can just read through here and kind of customize your Discord, okay? But very basic stuff. I make sure you have a profile picture and your username is like either your crypto or your online brand or whatever, your name. You don't have to have your name. I know a lot of people like to stay anonymous, so do whatever you guys want. I'm just here to recommend some stuff for you guys and help you guys along your journey. Another thing, welcome Legends. You see these pens up here? If you want to be notified, you can mute the channel, you can keep it on. If you're not interested in that project, just go to the project, click on the notification bell and cancel it so you won't get notified. You see this pen with the white or the pen message in red right there? These are the messages that are most important that you need to know. Alright, so you need to make sure whatever I pin here, if it's in red, click on that and you know it's very important that you need to watch it, read it, whatever the case might be. Alright, it's just going to show you what channel you're in right here, obviously. And then, yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. I hope that helped a little bit here in the Discord server. Welcome to Passive Legends, guys. I really look forward to growing with you guys in this space. I do have some strategies, so keep your eye on the different channels that pop up. Obviously, this one will pop up. You haven't seen this one yet. It's locked. When it's unlocked, everyone will be able to see it, and I'll give permissions to the people that are verified. So if you're a verified legend, you've been through the process of sending me your information, you guys will be good. Okay, the people that are in yellow obviously have not verified their account, so if you're one of them, please message me and get back to me as soon as possible. Alright, so other than that, guys, thank you so much. Welcome to the server. Glad to have you guys here. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to me. I'm here to help. Congratulations for being here, and we'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.